Hi Tara, it's Randy here. We're going to start up your Yamaha. We've got about 40 miles on it so far. It's cold right now, probably about maybe 45 degrees out today, and a nice clear day. We're going to start this up, take it for another road test, and see how she does. So starting from cold, we're going to turn the gas on. No reserve positions, just on or off on this particular pingle. Set the choke, lever down, key on. May take a couple extra kicks being a cool morning.
And there he goes.